Hi, welcome back to Baby Scope. Today let me give you some yummy plant protein rich food ideas which you can give your children. First is the chutney powder. When you make chutney powders, replace 75% of dals with roasted seeds or roasted almonds. This will enhance the protein value. Children like eating chutney powders with idli, dosa, rice, chapati. Chutney powders made like this will have about 2 gram protein per spoon. Next is chickpeas. Chole made with this is rich in protein. Soaked chickpeas can be roasted and served as a snack. 1 cup of this will have about 15 grams of protein. You can make tasty and crispy patties with aloo, peas, chole and sesame seeds. 1 patty will have about 8 grams of protein. You can make tofu gravy like the way you make paneer matar masala. Add peas to this. Soaked almonds, walnuts and seeds can be ground to paste and added to the gravy. This combination will give about 15 grams of protein per cup. Sprouted whole lentils curries can be nutritious alternatives to regular dals. 1 cup of lentils curry will give about 10 grams of protein. Remember, sprouting is very important. Even if it is a small sprout, it is okay. Sprouting is very important to enhance the protein value. Unsprouted lentils do not have that much of protein value as much as the sprouted lentils have. Also, sprouting enhances digestion. That's why you must always sprout lentils. 1 cup of lentil curry will give about 10 grams of protein. Fresh peas is rich in proteins and has many nutrients, very good nutrients. It can be eaten every day. You can make curry, peas palav or add it in patties or other dishes. 1 cup of peas curry will give about 10 grams of protein. Pesarattu made out of green gram soaked for a day, not for few hours. Most of us are making pesarattus where you soak green gram for 2-3 hours. That will not have much protein value. Only pesarattu made out of green gram soaked for about a day is rich in protein. 1 pesarattu will give about 10 gram protein. Another excellent source of protein is chia seeds. Chia seeds can be added in fruit juices and fruit bowls. 1 spoon of these will give 2 gram protein. Soaked chia seeds can also mix with curd and honey and can be given to children. Chickpeas made out of seeds and nuts are better alternatives to sweets. 1 serving will give about 2 gram protein. Soaked almonds and almond milk can be given to children on regular basis. Soaked almonds, it is better to remove the skin and give so that the digestion is better. 1 serving will give about 10 gram protein. Hummus can be made with chickpeas and sesame seeds. My daughter likes this a lot and she has prepared it herself. This can be eaten with salads and bread. 1 serving contains about 5 grams of protein. Quinoa, which is a pseudo cereal, is an excellent source of protein. Quinoa porridge can give about 8 grams of protein per cup. Quinoa laddu can be made easily and each laddu gives about 2 gram protein per serving. There is protein content in other sources also like rice, ragi, wheat and millets, but the quantity is less. Children will require about 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kg per day and you must provide that much of protein through natural sources. Thank you.